omukubiriza wa Parliament Thomas Tayebwa asabye Minisita omubeezi ow'ebyobulambuzi Susan Nakawuki okugenda mu bitundu by'e Mbale okulaba embeera nga bweri olw'ebisolo by'omu nsiko ebikambwe ebigambibwa okuba nga birumba abantu.
Has done the way you've done, and then she goes, she addresses. I don't think the minister would own up to a policy of some rogue elements going to doing whatever they are doing to the people.
Kino kiddiridde omubaka wa Bungoko Central Masaba Muhammad okwekubira enduulu mu Parliament ng'era asabye gavumenti okulaba ng'ensalo z'ekitongole ky'ebisolo by'omu nsiko zeerulwa mu kitundu ekyo.
Boundary opening in one of my sub-counties, Busano, Wanale, Budware, and this is between NFA and our people in those sub-counties. Our people are suffering with officials from NFA who are taking the animals, who are beating them, detaining them. And that issue reached the president, and he has signed the prime minister to solve that issue. Since then, we have never had a report. So, Right Honorable Speaker, I request that the Right Honorable Prime Minister
Minister Susan Nakawuki mu kwanukula ategeezezza nti ensonga eno bagenda kugikolako.
Full way. So if anyone really hits somebody, that's an assault and it's a criminal matter, that should be reported to police with immediate effect, and that person will be held liable for that action. When it comes to confiscation of animals,
Point of order.
battles with the Uganda Wildlife Authority, those of us that have national parks and the communities living along the fringes of Mount Elgon. And this has been going on for quite a time immemorial. And we have even recorded statements of trigger-happy or staff or personnel that have killed our people. Not one, not two, actually more than 20.
The means of war also should come up. We need to bring these people together than fighting them, than imprisoning them, than killing them, cutting their crops, raping their women. So there are many cases up there. May I reach there myself? So they need the intervention of government, and that is the only way I could do it.
Omumyuka w'omukubiriza wa Parliament Thomas Tayebwa ategeezezza nti ensonga y'okwerula ensalo z'amakuumiro g'ebisolo yeetaaga okutunuulirwa ennyo, ng'era ategeezezza nti n'ewaabwe Mitooma bakaluubirirwa okwerula ensalo zino.
A request of Mzee Ngorogoza, and our families moved and were given part of National Park in 1953. Now, your people came marked and said all of us must go out. I mean, oh yes, including me, it means I have no consideration.
To assess the magnitude of this problem so that they can budget for the ministry either to open up these boundaries once and for all so that this problem is settled.
Speaker bw'ati awadde Minisitule y'ebyobulambuzi ennaku 45 okulaba ng'ebuulira Parliament ekinaaba kikoleddwa ku nsonga eno.
On it, but we give the minister time to do their work, and we can say in around 45 days after you've consulted cabinet and the president, then you can come here and you update us on what you've decided.
Mu ngeri y'emu omubaka wa Kampala omukyala Shamim Malende atadde gavumenti ku nninga ku ngeri gy'egenda okukwatamu kasasiro abantu gwe baakuŋŋaanya ne bateeka ku makubo ku lunaku lwa bulungi bwansi olw'obuwaze.
Collected garbage in Kampala following the National Cleaning Day, which took place on the 25th of July 2026. While the initiative was intended to improve sanitation and public health, it has collected waste remains on the roadsides of Kampala and in the communities of Lobaga, Kawempe, Machinge, Central, and Nakawa. Right Honorable Speaker, this poses a serious threat to public health and also comes with environmental risk.
Mukwanukula Nampala wa gavumenti General Ruth Acheng alaze nga bwe baali tebeetegese bulungi ku mulundi ogwo nti kyokka ku mulundi ogunaddako baakusalira ensonga eno amagezi.
Very good intentions to ensure that we are healthy. We take note that the first activity clearly showed that we are overwhelmed. However, this morning, this issue has been largely addressed. KCCA is still moving around collecting waste. In future, we are going to have more trucks all over the country because it is a national activity.
Sebugenyi Joseph yakusakidde eggulire lino ku KTV amalindirire.